Yes, a binary operation this is defined on the set of integers a operation b equals to a squared minus b squared over a minus b. Find the value of x if for operation x equals to 16. So how do we tackle it? So we have it to be a operation b equals to a squared minus b squared over a minus b. So we have a operation b equals to, this means difference of two squares, so it can be written as a plus b bracket a minus b over a minus b. So this one we go for this. So we have a operation b equals to a plus b. So remember that we have 4 operation x equals to 16. So that means a equals to 4 and b equals to x. So put this 4 and x into this and equal it to 16. So we have a 4 plus x equals to what? 16. Therefore x equals to 16 minus 4. So the answer equals to 12. That's all. So like the video and subscribe for more. Thank you.